1. Evolution of fashion. Through the decades, fashion is not only about clothes, it is a mirror of society. Every decade tells a story through what people wore, how they styled themselves, and what they wanted to express. The journey of fashion from the early 1900s to 2025 shows how human culture, technology, and creativity have evolved together. Early 1900s, the age of elegance. At the beginning of the 20th century, fashion was formal and elegant. Women wore long gowns with corsets that shaped their bodies into an hourglass figure. Men preferred suits, hats, and polished shoes. High society looked up to Paris for trends, and designers like Charles Frederick Worth and Paul Poiret were the early fashion leaders. This period focused on luxury and femininity, but clothing was heavy and uncomfortable. Gradually, after World War I, people began preferring lighter and more practical clothing. 1920s. The Flapper Revolution. The 1920s brought freedom and energy. Women cut their hair short, wore knee-length dresses, and danced to jazz. The flapper style symbolized independence and fun. Straight silhouettes replaced corsets, and Coco Chanel introduced the little black dress, LBD, a timeless fashion icon. Men's fashion became more relaxed too. Lighter suits and sporty looks were popular. 1930s to 1940s. The era of simplicity and war. During the Great Depression and World War II, fashion turned practical. Women wore simple, functional dresses, often made at home. Fabrics were rationed, so designs became minimal. After the war in 1947, Christian Dior changed everything with his new look. Cinched waist, full skirts, and elegance. This design celebrated femininity after years of war and scarcity. 1950s. The glamour decade. The 1950s were about grace and beauty. Full skirts, fitted tops, pearls, and gloves became symbols of sophistication. Hollywood icons like Audrey Hepburn and Marilyn Monroe influenced global style. For men, clean-cut suits and slick hairstyles were in trend. Fashion houses like Givenchy and Balenciaga flourished. 1960s. The Youth Revolution. The 1960s broke all old rules. Young people created their own style, miniskirts, bold prints, and bright colors. Designers like Mary Quant and Pierre Cardin shaped modern fashion. London became a fashion capital with its mod culture. Unisex clothing started to appear, showing equality between men and women. 1970s. Freedom and expression. The 1970s were all about individuality. From hippie boho looks to disco glam, fashion was diverse and colorful. People experimented with flared pants, platform shoes, and bold accessories. Natural fabrics and ethnic influences became popular. This decade represented freedom, culture, and self-expression. 1980s. Power and extravagance. The 1980s defined boldness. Fashion was loud, confident, and powerful. Women wore shoulder pads, blazers, bright colors, and metallic fabrics, expressing authority in workplaces. Brands like Versace, Yves Saint Laurent, and Armani became famous for luxury fashion. Athletic wear also entered daily life, starting the trend of power dressing. 1990s. Minimalism and streetwear. After the flashy 80s, the 1990s moved towards simplicity. Neutral tones, denim, crop tops, and slip dresses became trendy. Designers like Calvin Klein and Helmut Lang promoted the less is more philosophy. Streetwear started growing. Oversized t-shirts, sneakers, and casual fits became symbols of youth culture. 2000s. Fast fashion era. The early 2000s saw the rise of fast fashion, affordable, and quickly changing styles, from brands like Zara and H&M. Celebrities and pop culture influenced fashion more than designers. Low-rise jeans, shiny tops, and logo-heavy outfits dominated. However, this period also led to environmental issues due to mass production. 2010s. The social media age fashion entered the digital world. Instagram and YouTube started controlling trends. People followed influencers, not just magazines. Mixing luxury with streetwear became normal. Hoodies with designer bags, sneakers with suits. Sustainability slowly started gaining importance again. 2020s to 2025, the era of balance. The fashion of today is a mix of past inspiration and future innovation. People now value comfort, sustainability, and individuality more than ever. Sustainability and conscious fashion. Recycled fabrics, thrift shopping, and eco-friendly brands are in focus. 2025 fashion prefers timeless and durable pieces over fast-changing trends. Digital and virtual fashion. Virtual try-ons, AI-generated designs, and digital runways are transforming the industry. Fashion stylists use online tools to plan and showcase looks. Gender-neutral and fluid fashion. In 2025, clothing is less about gender and more about personality. Oversized blazers, relaxed fits, and neutral tones suit everyone. Retro revival 70s flares, 90s crop tops, and early 2000s accessories are back, but with modern touches. Old money aesthetic, clean girl look, and techwear are trending among youth. Cultural fusion designers blend traditional textiles and local crafts with modern designs. Indian, Nepali, African, and Japanese influences are strong on global runways. Overall, 2025 fashion vibe. 2025 fashion is creative, inclusive, and responsible. It respects the past, but looks to the future. Stylists today must understand history, because every new trend is born from an old one.